Welcome to this Hargrove gas log installation video. Today, we'll be going over the installation of a stealth burner with a 1F variable valve. This video is not a replacement for the instruction manual. Read all instructions before installing any Hargrove appliance. When placing the burner into the fireplace, make sure that the wiring harness is never under the burner or its legs at any time. The burner must never rest on any wire. Attach the gas line to the inlet behind the burner as shown. Install the 4 AA batteries into the remote control receiver. Ensure that all batteries are facing the correct direction. Install the 23A battery into the remote control. Make sure to reinsert the remote receiver into the slot on the left side of the burner. Switch the receiver switch to the remote position. Press the Learn button with a small screwdriver and make sure to listen for the beep. Next, press any button on the remote. That series of beeps means that a connection has been made. Place the radiant riser onto the burner and ensure that it is not upside down. The narrow side faces downward. Press and hold the low/off button on the remote to turn the flame adjustment knob to the off position. You will hear a slight clicking noise once it is in the off position. Note the 3 settings on the control knob: on, off, and pilot. Before lighting the pilot, make sure the main gas supply is turned to the full on position. Turn the control knob to the pilot position. The knob should pop out slightly. Now fully depress the control knob, allowing gas to flow to the pilot. Now light the pilot. If you're lighting the pilot for the first time, it may take a few minutes to get gas to flow to the pilot. Continue holding the control knob for about 30 seconds to properly heat the thermocouple. Now release the control knob. The pilot should remain lit. If not, repeat the previous steps. Turn the control knob counterclockwise to the on position. Now your valve is ready to be controlled by the remote. Press and hold the on/high button to light the main burner. You can now use the remote to adjust the flame height up and down. For natural gas applications, fill the burner pan with the provided sand. Fill the burner pan up to the screw heads on the back wall. Gradually slope the sand downward toward the front of the burner pan, making sure to miss the pilot opening. Some sand may flow over the front lip of the burner and onto the fireplace floor. This can be covered with embers or volcanic cinder later. Completely cover the sand with the black embers. Apply a thicker layer of embers just below the grate. In propane applications, apply embers directly to the burner. Again, make sure to apply a thicker layer of embers just below the log grate. Begin adding logs according to the provided log diagram. Hargrove's log diagrams can all be found at hargrovegaslogs.com or by following the link in the description. Now your gas log set is ready to bring comfort and warmth to your family for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, make sure to visit our website at hargrovegaslogs.com